Hello class, in this video we will do the exercise of chapter 2nd, class 7th. Okay, so first question is pick the correct option. First, PowerPoint 1.0 was released in, answer is 1987. Second, which of these animation options determines the manner in which an object appears on a slide? So answer is entrance. Okay. Third, which of the following buttons contains 4 different options of animation? Answer is add effects. Fourth, the custom animation task pane always appears in the dash of the PowerPoint window. Answer is C, right. Okay. Second question, write T for true and F for false for the following statements. First, you can use animation to focus on important points and to control the flow of information. Answer is true. Second, transition effect contains a list of animation effects such as time, style, sound, etc. that you can apply to objects. Answer is false. Third, you can add sound to text or graphics in a presentation. Answer is true. Fourth, media clips group is present on the insert tab. Answer is true. Fifth, movie from file option insert video clip from a CD. Answer is true. And last one, the setup show button is located in setup group. Answer is true. Okay. Third question is answer the following questions. In this first question, what do you mean by animation? So your answer is animation effect gave motion to text, picture and other content on your slides. You can use animation to focus on important points, to control the flow of information and to increase audience interest in your presentation. This is your answer number first. Second question, write the steps to add animation to text or object. So you have to start answer from here. To apply an animation effect, perform the following steps till here. Following steps. Okay. Now, first point, select the text or object that you want to animate. Second, click on Animations tab. Third, click on the down pointing arrow of animation group. A list appears. Fourth, select an effect required by you. Third question, write the steps to remove animation effects. So, to remove an animation effect, perform the following steps. Step 1, select the text or object on the slide you wish to modify. Click on the Animations tab. Click on the down pointing arrow of animation group. Select none option from the list. Question 4. What is custom animation effect? Answer is custom animation is a feature in Microsoft Office PowerPoint. It contains a list of animation effects such as time, style, sound, etc. that you can apply to objects to have them animated during the slideshow. MS PowerPoint provides 4 types of animation: entrance, emphasis, exit and motion paths. Okay. Fifth question, what is transition effect? Answer is transition determine how your presentation moves from one slide to the next. PowerPoint provides several transition modes. You can apply a transition to selected slides or to all of the slides in your presentation. You can add sound to a transition and you can control its speed. Sixth question, write the steps to add sound in a presentation. So answer is to insert a sound clip from a file, perform the following steps. First, select the slide where you want to add sound. Second, click on the Insert tab. Third, click on the drop down arrow of audio button in media group. A menu appears. Fourth, click on audio from file option. The insert audio dialog box appears as shown. Fifth, select the sound file that you want to insert. Click on insert button. So that's it for this video. Thank you.